Hi folks, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today on the Garden Fix, I'm going to try to start something new here, and that is a little series of focusing on and highlighting on one particular plant in our garden. And we're going to start off today, and the first episode here, with Candytuft. And I'm choosing Candytuft because it is one of the most impressive early bloomers that we have in our garden. And as you can see, our Candytuft is looking beautiful right now. This plant is hardy from zones 3 to 9. It usually has these white clusters of flowers, and sometimes these flowers can have tints of purple as well. Now ours, as you can see, has the white with a little bit of a yellow specks inside it, and it looks really nice right now, and especially in the sunlight, kind of glows. So the Candytuft can get about a foot wide, as you can see it now, and it can also get about a foot tall. And sometimes when it gets that tall, it gets a little stringy. So if it does get stringy like that, you can cut this back, and it can produce a second round of flowering with the plant. So I'm looking forward to doing that and trying that this year because we didn't do it last year. So we'll see if that'll happen. You can see now the sun is out, and you can see how pretty this is. It's starting to glow, and that's one of the reasons I love it so much. Now these guys do like full sun, and they can handle part shade, and this is a part shade area over here. We have it growing in another section by my pond, and that area is definitely full sun. So here's the little patch that's over by our pond, and we just had torrential downpours for about the last 3 days, crazy flooding here in the area, and these guys are happy, shaking it right off. We do have them planted in areas that are well draining, and that's what you should do too if you get this. You can see here that there are so many more flowers yet to come on this, and it's been blooming for several weeks now. I would say probably close to a month, and it's just an amazing plant. This is the very beginning of April, in case you're wondering, and we live in Zone 6B. I would say this started blooming the beginning of March. All right, so there you go. If you want a great plant to start out your garden with, this is a great one. And this plant is definitely not one of the ones you think of when you think about starting a garden, but it's a terrific little ground cover plant, and I love it. All right, guys, so thanks for joining me. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and also maybe join us on Instagram too. We'd really appreciate that. Until next time, I'll see you in the garden.